This quick video is to show you how to cycle through the service menu on your BMW Mini second generation, so R56, R55 and associated models. To access the menu, the ignition needs to be on, the engine can be running but you mustn't be moving. We're going to use this switch on the end of the stalk here. I'm going to cycle through until we see set info. There we go. I'm going to press and hold. Okay, check info. I've let go. I'm going to press once more. That's service info. Press and hold. And now we're in the service menu. So the rear brakes need changing on this car in 1900 miles. That's the front brakes in 6,000 miles. That's the brake fluid, needs changing in April 2020. That's the oil change in April 2020 or 13,000 miles, whichever sooner. This symbol is for the MOT. This one is for the major inspection, which is due in 36,000 miles or in May 2023, whichever sooner, and that's the service menu. So we're based in the West Midlands, and as you can see, we're a mini specialist. We buy minis, sell minis, service minis, repair minis, and so on. So if there's anything we can do to help, you can contact us here. So the phone number is 0330 999 0020, or the email is sales@theminispecialist.com. Thank you for watching.